Deirdre, I've truly enjoyed hanging out with you here in Austin the past couple of days. We've had some amazing workshops with some amazing participants.
But sadly, we also had long wait lines outside the doors that didn't get into either session of the workshop. So we've decided to make a short video to give you just a few of the highlights of what was presented.
We told them the stories of dream discoveries, from Paul McCartney's dreaming the Beatles' greatest hit yesterday to Larry Page's dream inspiration for the Google search engine. We taught participants how to incubate dreams about both personal and professional problems by coming up with a powerful phrase and an image that represents the problem, and how to fall asleep using these to request answers from dreams. We taught techniques for lucid dreaming, dreams in which you know it is a dream. We emphasized the enormous potential of these, but also why dream incubation is easier and more effective for the average person to access practical help from dreams.
And on top of highly creative problem solving, dreams can do more. You see, Deirdre and I have a dream. Statistics make it clear that we are currently witnessing an epidemic of stress. In the workshop, we shared how our dreams is the place in which our mind and body communicate, and it is thus in our dreams that we firsthand will be able to see if we are pushing ourselves too hard. The good news, however, is that not only can our dreams reveal just how stressed out we potentially are, they can also help us deal with the stress and thus help us thrive better at work and privately. In the workshop, we thus also shared how scientific dream research has found that greater self-awareness, higher self-esteem, and better relations with others, i.e. also our colleagues, can be the outcome of trying to understand why we dream what we do. Now, exactly how dreams do that, of course, was something we also shared during the workshop. We also shared how some of our own dreams have had tremendous impact on the course of our lives. Just like we also told the story of how a leader like Barack Obama has gained important personal insight through paying attention to his dreams. Often the language of dreams is not that straightforward, and towards the end of the workshop we taught how to approach our dreams to understand them. Even though we shared many elements, the place to start is trying to find the connection between the dream and our waking life, the so-called waking life link. A simple question you can ask there is the following. Despite this dream may be appearing odd and mostly unreal, how might it after all illustrate something of major relevance in my life right now? We concluded the workshop by sharing a number of things you can do to improve your dream recall, which by the way is more than just writing them down, or as we prefer, record them, because what if there's nothing to write down? A simple place to start is by having the intent to recall your dreams. So what is then the dream that Deirdre and I have? We hope that more leaders and employees will start utilizing the power of their dreams. This to dramatically improve innovation and creativity at work, but also to facilitate the journey towards a more humanly friendly working environment, one in which we are more in sync with our human nature.
So we hope to catch some of you in the future to get the full version of this.